Welcome to Learn to Cook with Lila. Today we have a special guest, Gabby from Mad Gab Lab.
Today we're making lava cakes, and I have an interesting fact about lava. Some liquid lava can go 55 miles an hour, and some can only go inches a day.
And this is how you make lava cakes. Don't burn yourself. Not with the lava, because it's not real lava, it's just delicious chocolate goop. I mean with the oven. Oven! Don't burn yourself. Wear oven mitts. First, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients, which are
The icing sugar, flour, and salt.
Now we're gonna crack 2 eggs into a bowl, this bowl, and then add 2 egg yolks into it. So let me just. Oh, the eggshell poked me. That wasn't very nice, Mr. Eggshell.
Okay, so we have to put our chocolate with our butter, and then check it every.
And check it every 10 seconds in the microwave.
So do I just put it with the butter?
Dump it. Yum! Butterfinger. You're watching this quality, I'm a big fan. I named one of my Flippy Octopus stuffies after you. Please sponsor me.
Once your chocolate is all smooth, like this, you'd be ready to mix them all
Into this bowl.
into this bowl with
So-
our dry ingredients. So put the yolks in first, and then we pour the chocolate.
Delicious. The best freaking. Alright. Get this here. Oh my gosh, the yolk is just like.
Yummy green yolk.
And then let's mix. And then you mix it with a spatula. You do a little, and then I do a little.
Okay.
Yum. Ooh, this feels like nice and doughy. You want it to feel kind of like a liquidy dough. All right, now we're gonna take 4 ramekins, sprayed with cooking spray, and then dust it off with cocoa powder, and then put your batter in, and then you put the cooking spray in so your cake doesn't stick to the ramekin.
Because that would just be bad.
Yeah, and then you'd have to eat it like. All right, and now you're gonna put your ceramikins. What?
They're just ramekins.
Oh, ramekins. Keep that in. Ramekins on a baking sheet, and then put it in the oven at 425 degrees for 13 minutes. You might need an adult to help you with this part because the baking pan might be a little heavy and the oven's hot.
Alexa, set a timer for 13 minutes.
13 minutes. Starting now.
Yay.
Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum.
So, Miss Mad Scientist, what makes lava cakes lovely anyway?
Heat diffusion. Heat diffusion is technically, it creates a shell around it and it bakes towards the middle, but it only heats the middle. It doesn't fully cook it. So you want to make sure you never actually overcook it, or the middle will just be cake.
All right. So once your ramekins are out of the oven, let them cool for 1 minute, and then you can put a plate on top and flip it over. But you'll need oh no, if you need an oven mitt, that means, hello, it's me, Mr. Chompy, the real star of the show here. One macaroni. I can't do the macaroni. I don't have arms or legs. macarena. It's hot. Alright, so now that you have them on your plate, you can lift them up, but you have to use an oven mitt.
Yes, I'll use oven mitt.
And if you want, you can top it with some whipped cream.
Oh yeah, you can see it inside.
It's not too bad.
Is it hot?
Kind of.
Mm.
Let the lava
Yeah, it's not really flowing.
flow.
It's not really
It's
flowing.
not flowing.
It still is creamy in the middle though.
It's still
Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and check out Lila's channel, Learn to Cook with Lila. Seriously, Chompy?
What?
Stop chomping.
Stop looking at me. Yeah. Follow for more.